Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to promote Amazon affiliate links in 2025. So here, as you can see, we have our Pinterest account and our Facebook account. So we are going to use these platforms to promote our Amazon affiliate links. Okay, so first and foremost is we have to create our Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so here, as you can see at the top, we have this influencers and associates sites, right? And here we have the get linked option. Now, in order for us to have these features here in our Amazon account, is we have to sign up for the Amazon Associate program. So to do that, you just have to open another tab, and then you just have to search for the Amazon Affiliate program. Okay, and then you have this first website, the Amazon Associates. So you just have to simply click on this one. Okay, so once you click on this website, you will have the different steps that you have to finish in order for you to have your Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so once you are done setting up your Amazon affiliate account, you would be able to get this influencers and associate sites right at the top and the get linked feature. So just make sure that the account that you are using on your Amazon is the same account that you are going to use during the sign up process to the Amazon affiliate program. Okay, so once you are done right here, you just have to log into your Pinterest account and then to your Facebook account. Okay, so now let's go back to Amazon. Right here, we're just going to search or find products that we can use. Okay, so here we can use the search bar at the top and search for that specific product. Okay, so for example, phone case. So just have to click on enter, and then right here, just have to find the perfect case for your link. Okay, so for example, this first one, that's right. And then right here, the first thing that we are going to do is to download the images of this product. Okay, so I'm just going to download one image for this video. That's right. And then you just have to save it to your computer. So once you're done, we just have to copy the name or the title of this product. Okay, so for example, right here, just going to copy this one and then go to Pinterest. Okay, so just click on this create option. Okay, and then make sure to select pin to post your photos or videos and add links, stickers, effects, and more. Okay, so here you're just going to choose a file or drag the image that we have downloaded from Amazon. Just simply click on enter, and then we have to paste here the link. Okay, and now let's go back to Amazon and then get the description of this product. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this description and go back to Pinterest, and then I just have to paste it right here. So before we proceed, make sure to put a disclaimer here on the description box so that your Pinterest account will not get banned. Okay, so for example, just type it right here, disclaimer. Okay, so this product is from Amazon. That's right. Now here to add the link, go back to Amazon and then close this section. Now click on this get linked option. So right here for the link type, we have the short link and the full link. So I'm just going to select the short link. Just have to copy, go back to Pinterest. So just paste it right here. That's right. Now, if you want to choose a board, you can also select a board, an existing board, or create a new board. So I'm just going to skip that part. And then here for the topics, you can add tag topics right here. For example, phone case. Okay, that's right. And then phone. Now, the next thing that you're going to do here is to add products or tag products. So simply click on it. Then here, go to the use link. Then you can also add here the product link, but we can also skip that part. And then for the more options section, Just make sure that these options are turned on or this or enable. Okay, so allow people to comment and show similar product, and you can also describe your pin's visual details. Okay, after that, just simply click on the publish option. Okay, so now let's go to our profile or view the product. Now, when someone clicked on this visit site option, they would be directed to Amazon website. Okay, and once they purchase this product, of course, you can get your commission since this is your Amazon affiliate account. Now, let's use Facebook to promote our Amazon affiliate link. So, let's go to Facebook. That's right. And then you just have to click on this photo video option. Okay, so right here, just select the product. So here on Facebook, the advantage of Facebook is that you can upload, I think, up to 15 or 20 photos, but we're just going to upload one for this video. Okay, and then after that, you just have to add here the name of this product, or you can also directly tap right here, get this product on Amazon. Okay, so you simply type it right here, and then we have to paste here the link. So let's go back to Amazon, click on copy, go back to Facebook, and then you have to paste here the link. That's right. And now, of course, we have to add here our title and the description of the product. Okay, so for the title, I'm just going to copy this one, go back to Facebook, and then we have to paste it right here. Okay, and then if you want to add a description, you can also do that. So just go back here and then add here the full description of the product. That's right. So here, you just have to paste it. Okay, and then once you're done, you just have to click on post. Okay, so you just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so now when your followers or friends here on Facebook so this post, and when they clicked on this link right here, they will be directed to the Amazon website. And again, if they purchase this product, of course, you can get your commission. And then another thing here on Facebook, you can also share this to your story to get more audience. So here you have the your story options. Just simply click on it. Okay, now your story is posting, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So when your friends saw your story and click on the link or the post, then they will be directed to your post and they will be able to see your Amazon affiliate link right here. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.